Hello viewers, today we see blood collection by venipuncture method. Procedure: ask to patient sit down or lie down with forearm rested on the table. Then apply tourniquet on upper arm of patient. Then select the site of puncture. So choose one of vein in antecubital fossa. Select a vein which is visible, palpable and well fixed to surrounding. Then clean the antecubital fossa with spirit swab from center to periphery or periphery to center. Then ask the patient to close fist by taking thumb inside so that vein become prominent and easy to prick. Then patients forearm with left hand and retract the soft tissue downwards below the site of puncture with the help of your thumb. They hold the syringe in right hand and bring the needle to the skin over the vein. If vein is large and fixed, then skin and vein may be punctured with the single thrust, and if vein is small or slippery, then skin is punctured first and then vein. So puncture the vein with single thrust. After blood start flowing into the syringe, release the tourniquet pressure. When proper amount of blood is collected, slowly withdraw the needle and keeping a cotton swab over the puncture site. So press the puncture site gently for 2 to 5 minutes to stop the blood flow. Ask the patient to elevate the arm and give the pressure for few minutes. Then immediately transfer the collected blood into container. So it is anticoagulant bulb or plain bulb. Before transferring, first remove the needle from the syringe to prevent clotting of blood and then pour the blood into the bulb. So here are some pictures of vein puncture method. Uh, we see here needle, vacutainer, cotton swab, tourniquet. So first ask to patient to sit down or lie down with rested forearm on the table. Then choose antecubital fossa. So this is the antecubital fossa in front of elbow and select the prominent vein. Then apply tourniquet on upper arm. Then clean the area with cotton swab from center to periphery or periphery to center. Then take a needle and syringe in your right hand and push nearest to punctures vein site. Then after proper amount of blood collected in container or syringe, then remove needle slowly from vein, remove tourniquet and apply cotton swab, spirit swab on the puncture site. After collection blood in syringe, remove needle and then pour blood into container. So this is the intravenous blood collection method. It is very important than capillary puncture method because quantity of blood collected by venipuncture is more than capillary puncture. So when number of tests be carried out are more than venipuncture method is used, when serum or plasma is to be separated from blood, vein puncture is used. Different tests carried out by vein puncture. So in biochemistry, LFT, KFT, special hematology test, ESRPC, we need large amount of blood. So blood is collected by venipuncture. So this is the intravenous blood collection method. Thank you.